Who leads the advanced heating, ventilation, and air conditioning controls market? At the top, we have Johnson, holding 7% of a market share. A clear leader in smart building automation and next generation HVAC control systems. Right behind are Siemens and Honeywell, each holding 5% market share. Both companies are leading innovation in smart infrastructure, IoT-based control, and energy-efficient building systems. So what does this tell us? The market is highly competitive and widely shared. No single player dominates it completely. Instead, leadership is shaped by a continuous innovation, smart technology, and energy efficiency. Markets move fast. Your decisions need to move faster. The 360i Research platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitor, explore industry shift, and uncover timely insight that help your team move from data to confident action. Connect with 360i Research and turn inspiring insight into dependable action.